Yes, you can see this is my Windows 11. I'm going to update the operating system. You see the update there, just type in update. It's going to populate an option for you to update your Windows 11, and that's my operating system. Here is on my operating system also, but this is not a virtual machine, and you have the option to tell when that update was made, and you have the option to switch it on so you can always have updated information. This is very important as a network engineer to ensure that the machines are updated frequently. And if you look at the update there, it gives you a breakdown of history of what has been updated on your machine. And you must also know that there are some enterprise that does not allow this kind of update because some software doesn't work with update and it can break the update. So you should be aware of that. And if you look at the update, there are different options there. You have the advanced option where you can manually switch on and switch off depending on your work environment. And also you have the options where you can manually or automatically set the time where the update will take place. You can see I click on that drop down. Mine is showing automatically because I want it to be done automatically even within the time frame. It means that within this time frame there shouldn't be any update on the network. Based on your work schedule, you can schedule when an update should take place on your machine. Maybe between this time and this time, update should take place, and between this time and this time, update shouldn't take place. We have the advanced option also. The advanced option helps you to optimize. It helps you to also reverse in case there is a breakdown in the course of the update and the update is not compatible with your software. You can reverse it, and also the app can also be restored in the course where there is a loss of app. So this is very crucial. I hope you enjoyed the lesson for today. Please ensure to subscribe.